top 15 places to visit on Earth Ultimate Travel Guide. Imagine waking up in a place so breathtaking that it feels like you've stepped into a dream. Now, what if I told you there are 15 places on Earth that are so incredible, they're on the bucket list of every traveler? In this Ultimate Travel Guide, I'm going to take you on a journey to explore the most awe-inspiring destinations that you must visit before you die. Get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Whether you're a thrill seeker, a nature lover, or someone who simply wants to witness the wonders of our world, this list has something for everyone. Let's jump straight in. 1. The Great Barrier Reef, Australia. First up, we're diving deep into the crystal-clear waters of the Great Barrier Reef in Australia. It's the world's largest coral reef system, stretching over 2,300 kilometers. With its abundant marine life, this UNESCO World Heritage Site is a paradise for divers. Home to over 1,500 species of fish, 400 types of coral, and a variety of sea turtles and dolphins, the reef is not just a place to explore, but an ecosystem worth preserving. Whether you're snorkeling or diving, expect to be surrounded by vivid colors and an endless variety of creatures. 2. Machu Picchu, Peru. Next, let's head to Peru, where the ancient Inca city of Machu Picchu stands high in the Andes Mountains. Built in the 15th century and rediscovered by Hiram Bingham in 1911, this lost city is a marvel of engineering. Imagine trekking through cloud forests, ancient stone pathways, and finally reaching the breathtaking summit with panoramic views of mist-covered peaks. The mystery of Machu Picchu, combined with its stunning natural beauty, makes it one of the world's most sought-after destinations. And don't forget the Inca Trail, a multi-day hike that brings you closer to history and nature than any other trek. 3. Santorini, Greece. If you dream of sunsets that take your breath away, head to Santorini in Greece. Known for its iconic whitewashed buildings with blue domes, Santorini's beauty is unparalleled. The island was formed by a volcanic eruption thousands of years ago, which created its signature cliffs and caldera. Here, you can explore charming villages like Oai, where the sunsets are a photographer's dream, or relax in hot springs surrounded by volcanic rocks. Santorini's combination of history, culture, and spectacular scenery makes it a must-see in the Mediterranean. 4. Bora Bora, French Polynesia. Picture yourself in a tropical paradise, Bora Bora. Known for its turquoise lagoons, overwater bungalows, and palm-lined beaches, this island is the epitome of luxury and relaxation. The island's coral reefs offer some of the best snorkeling and diving in the world, with opportunities to swim with rays, sharks, and exotic fish. Bora Bora is a place where you can disconnect from the world and reconnect with nature, making it one of the most romantic spots on Earth. 5. The Northern Lights, Iceland. One of nature's most spectacular phenomena is the Northern Lights, and Iceland is one of the best places to witness this awe-inspiring light show. Imagine the night sky lighting up in greens, pinks, and purples, swirling above snow-capped mountains and frozen landscapes. Iceland offers numerous opportunities to chase the auroras, especially in remote locations like Thingvellir National Park. But Iceland is more than just the Northern Lights. It's a land of geysers, waterfalls, volcanoes, and glaciers, offering a truly unique experience. 6. The Grand Canyon, USA. In the heart of the United States, you'll find the Grand Canyon, one of the 7 natural wonders of the world. Carved over millions of years by the Colorado River, the Grand Canyon offers some of the most stunning geological formations and panoramic views on Earth. Whether you're hiking the rim trails, rafting through the canyon, or simply enjoying a sunset over the canyon's vast expanse, this place will leave you speechless. 7. The Pyramids of Giza, Egypt. Standing tall for over 4,000 years, the Pyramids of Giza are an architectural feat that still baffles engineers today. The Great Pyramid, once the tallest structure on Earth, is a testament to ancient Egyptian engineering and ingenuity. Don't miss the Sphinx, an iconic figure that guards the pyramids and adds a layer of mystery. Visiting the pyramids transports you back to an ancient time, where the pharaohs ruled and the secrets of the universe were written in the stars. 8. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto is the cultural heart of Japan, known for its serene temples, beautiful gardens, and traditional tea houses. Once the capital of Japan, Kyoto offers a glimpse into the country's past. With over 1,600 temples and shrines, many of which are UNESCO World Heritage Sites. Explore the Golden Kinkakuji, wander through the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, or experience the peacefulness of the Zen Gardens. Kyoto is also home to geisha culture, where you can experience traditional tea ceremonies and performances. 9. Serengeti National Park, Tanzania. For wildlife lovers, there's no better place than Serengeti National Park. This vast savanna is famous for its incredible wildlife, especially the annual Great Migration, where over 1.5 million wildebeest and zebras travel across the plains in search of food and water. But the Serengeti is not just about the migration, it's also home to the Big Five: lions, elephants, leopards, rhinos, and buffalo. Whether you're on a safari or watching the dramatic predator-prey interactions, the Serengeti never disappoints. 10. Venice, Italy. Venice, with its charming canals and stunning architecture, is a city like no other. Navigate the canals by gondola, wander through the narrow alleyways, and marvel at the intricate details of St. Mark's Basilica. Venice's unique setting, built on a network of islands, offers a romantic atmosphere that draws millions of visitors each year. And if you visit during the carnival, you'll be treated to colorful costumes, masks, and street performances that bring the city to life. 11. Mount Everest Base Camp, Nepal. For adventure seekers, trekking to the base of Mount Everest is a challenge and a triumph all in one. The journey takes you through the breathtaking Khumbu region, where you'll pass by Buddhist monasteries, quaint Sherpa villages, and stunning mountain vistas. The trek to Everest Base Camp itself doesn't require climbing experience, but it does require determination and a spirit of adventure. At the end of the trek, you'll stand at the foot of the world's tallest mountain, an experience that's as humbling as it is exhilarating. 12. The Galapagos Islands, Ecuador. Charles Darwin's theory of evolution was inspired by the incredible biodiversity of the Galapagos Islands. These islands are home to unique species, such as giant tortoises, marine iguanas, and finches that evolved in isolation from the rest of the world. The Galapagos offer an unparalleled opportunity to see wildlife in its most natural form. Whether you're snorkeling with sea lions, kayaking alongside penguins, or hiking to volcanic craters, the Galapagos provide an experience that can't be found anywhere else on Earth. 13. Petra, Jordan. Petra, the ancient Rose City, is one of the most stunning archaeological sites in the world. Carved into the pink sandstone cliffs, Petra was once the thriving capital of the Nabatean kingdom. As you enter through the narrow Siq, you'll catch your first glimpse of the treasury, one of Petra's most famous structures. But there's so much more to explore: tombs, temples, and dramatic canyons that tell the story of a forgotten civilization. 14. The Maldives. With its luxurious overwater villas, clear turquoise waters, and pristine beaches, the Maldives is the ultimate tropical destination. It's a place where you can unwind in private resorts, enjoy candlelit dinners on the beach, and dive into coral reefs teeming with life. Whether you're snorkeling, diving, or simply lounging in the sun, the Maldives offers the kind of tranquil beauty you'll never want to leave. 15. The Amazon Rainforest, Brazil. Finally, we arrive at the Amazon Rainforest, an ecosystem so vast it's often called the lungs of the earth. Spanning across 9 countries, including Brazil, the Amazon is home to millions of species of plants, animals, and insects, many of which are found nowhere else. The rainforest is an adventure like no other. Whether you're hiking through the dense jungle, boating along the Amazon River, or encountering indigo. From ancient wonders to natural paradises, these 15 places are just a glimpse of the extraordinary beauty our planet has to offer. Whether you're planning your next vacation or just daydreaming about your travel bucket list, these destinations are truly the best of the best. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more travel tips. Subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Let me know your thoughts or questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you.